Habitat for Humanity has been in Haiti since 1984. So we understand very well the legal tenure problems in Haiti. We've been working with several other projects supporting Haitian property law working group. We leveraged further and then basically applied in reality to concrete cases. In Fort Liberté, a semi-rural of Fort Liberté, Dirac, another project in Léogane, Santo, where Habitat for Humanity, after the earthquake of 2010, had helped build a village, basically for people that were homeless after the earthquake. And then the other context was, in Canaan, that was also where several displaced people had been relocated, and therefore, where there was also a land tenure problem. Those three localities, the people that were living there or established themselves on government land. So that was the common denominator. And then a project was designed, had twofold. You support the people at formalizing their land tenure. And then the second side of the project is also making sure that the people that would benefit from that project would also understand the responsibility to contribute to the strengthening of the state and the governance by paying taxes.
Our project aims to address an important social crisis where, with climate change, there has been an increase in natural disasters, and this in turn creates an increase in displaced people. Oftentimes, these displaced people end up on government land that has been made available to them. However, there is a legal process that they must go through in order to legally inhabit those lands.